Hi guys, and welcome to the Minecraft Pocket Edition. And if you have some decorations in your house, I've teach you now. There's fridge, hamburger, and oven, toaster, and sink. So now, guys, let's start it for this. We're gonna teach you now. It's time to teach you all of you. Make sure you have this, this, this. My god, naman natin. This, um, that will be the first. First, we'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's 6. I got it. Yeah. But guys, let's get it. They're just kidding me, eh? Yeah, it's like it's not quartz. It's a white stain clay because this is a blue shaders. Oh my god. But guys, look at this. There looks like river. It's moving, but now let's do this in there. Here we go. And let's put here with stained clay. Let's put this, and this. There we go. Oh, why this have the darks? And this looks like real. Oh gosh. Whoa. Look at it, guys. It's needed. That is will you need for friends. Here. This. Here. Here. This is the add-on. Download it in the add-on and search keep food skull head. And for this part, oh, that is it. But it's not because, yeah. let's put this. Oh, it's burger, but that is so cool. Let's look at that one. They're all the same. It's look like same. Yeah, it's really cool. Thanks for watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you for other, and I will teach you for more. Suggest me or ask me if you want some more or fan or cabinets or that's furnitures. But don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I will help you to enjoy it. Please subscribe me, please. Please, it's peace. Get out of here, boy. Get out of here. Get out of here. Thanks, guys. See ya.